Learn Italian English! Welcome you lot, I'm Andrea and this is a new Italian English lesson. In today's world, if you want to be noticed, it's better to speak English like an Italian. Oh, hey! How you stay? Huh? How are you? Pronunciation! And now we'll learn the correct pronunciation of numbers. Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 100, 1000. It is very important to know how to count if you want to sing along with Italians someday. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, one day say, go macini. Oh, one. Okay, let's move forward. Grammar. Today, we're going to talk about present continuous and present perfect continuous. In Italian English, there are no such tenses. There is only present, which works for everything. That makes people's life a lot easier. I'm watching TV becomes I watch TV. I have been living here for more than 2 months becomes I live here from 2 months, by 2 months, with 2 months. Just pick the words you like and use them. That'll give you free state of mind and increase your creativity and artistic talent. Why Italian English speakers are so creative? Because they pick the words they like out of a tombola box. Culture and habits. As we already said, for Italian English speakers, it is crucial to spare words. So if you happen to be bargaining or you think that what you heard was exorbitant or excessive, in English you would probably go, "Excuse me, sir, but I'm afraid that price is much too high for such an item." In Italian English, no. You would go, "Ooh, less." That gesture is very important. It means both that that price is too high and that you are quite experienced in cheating customers. In old Italian culture, they say you shouldn't burgle a burglar's house. Learn Italian English! I wish you guys all the best, or as the Italian speakers say, in ars et the whale. Bye bye, at the next.